The use of materials by architects is what puts together a building, from simple sculptures to apartment complexes. Some of these goods, however, are not sustainable and can end up harming the environment. Thanks to its eco-friendly advantages and cost-effectiveness, fiber cement is rising to the top of its competitors. Cement, sand, cellulose and recycled wood are the main components of fiber cement boards, making it a standout for sustainable building materials. Of course, natural siding materials like wood are eco-friendly, too, but only to an extent. Once they start breaking down, they're harder to recycle. In fact, the pieces are better off becoming part of the fiber cement mix. Fiber cement boards offer an unmatched combination of cost-effectiveness, durability, and ease of installation. Here are some of the top advantages of using fiber cement boards in your project. Fiber cement is one of the most versatile materials used in construction. There are a number of colors and textures available to choose from. Add to this the fact that fiber cement boards come in a number of sizes and dimensions. It is safe to say that as a builder you have all the options you need to make the perfect choice for your project. As a builder, ease of installation is an important factor you must consider. Fiber cement boards are easy to work with and require very little labor training. Picking the right dimension boards make it easier to work with. One subtle benefit of fiber cement board is the neutral components that make it up. Other materials like vinyl may have volatile organic compounds due to their synthetic nature. These compounds can affect human health negatively. For instance, volatile organic compounds can cause issues like headaches, nausea, asthma and ear irritation. When comparing fiber cement to other siding materials like wood or vinyl, one of the first things you'll notice is the lifespan. FC boards goes above and beyond what other resources can provide by outlasting the competition. It can last for up to 50 years. The longer lifespan means residents won't need to replace and repair their siding as often. Instead, they can save money and produce less waste over the years. Routine checkups and repairs won't need to be done as often, resulting in cost savings. Fiber cement is low maintenance, too. There's no need to continually toss out old parts like you'd need to with rotting wood. Unlike wood or vinyl, fiber cement is highly resistant to heat and fire. In fact, most fiber cement board manufacturers guarantee that the boards do not ignite for an hour under direct flame. This offers superior protection to your construction and compliance with fire codes as well. One of the greatest advantages of fiber cement boards are that they are cost-efficient. The long durability, resistance, and inherent strength of fiber cement also makes it less likely to need replacement or repairs, making long-term costs very low indeed. Most residential and commercial property owners prefer an authentic wood look and feel but are daunted by the cost, high maintenance, and other disadvantages of authentic wood. Fiber cement boards offer the best alternative, emulating the appearance and feel of wood, while eliminating the challenges. The underlying manufacturing process is one of the largest environmental benefits of fiber cement siding. Fiber cement siding is made of recycled materials and other items that are renewable. And although the natural part of the wood siding is down, the environmental harm caused by the cutting down of old trees has been enormous. With fiber cement siding, without the unpleasant environmental effects, you get natural materials. Similarly, although aluminum siding is made of recyclable material, during renovations, it degrades relatively rapidly and often does not enter a recycling network. And vinyl is neither recyclable nor biodegradable as far as vinyl siding is concerned. This implies that when removed from a house, it actually piles up in landfills. Another marked advantage that fiber cement boards have over both wood and vinyl is their superior weather resistance. It is the best choice for exteriors which are exposed to direct sunlight and rain, particularly in regions with high humidity or dry summer spells. As fiber cement siding is a relatively new product that is long-lasting, there are currently no programs to deal with it after its useful life. It could conceivably be reground and recycled or used as road fill. If fiber cement siding is sent to landfill, it will contribute to landfill volume, but as it is inert, it will pose no lasting environmental or health issues.